Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm super excited about this video. So basically we're going to be doing a wash and go, but we're going to be using a mousse for this wash and go. And this product that I'm going to be using has been hyped up to the max, okay? So I want to see what the hype is all about. I'm going to be using the Do's Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse. It says that it defines, shines, conditions in one step, fights frizz. It's for wash and goes, twist outs, raw sets, pixies, blowouts. It's probably like an all-around product. You can use it for everything. But we're definitely going to be using it on a wash and go today because I'm super excited. You guys know my wash and goes are always gel, okay? Always gel. I don't think I've done a wash and go any other way. Oh, I did. I did it with the cream before. But we're going to be using this mousse and we're going to see what all the hype is about. I know you've seen videos from some of your favorite YouTubers, but you haven't seen it from me. You ain't seen it from me, okay? I definitely wanted to try this product out on my short, tapered natural hair and on my hair texture so you guys can see how it works. So let me just say that my hair has been washed and conditioned. It is wet. And we're gonna be doing a true wash and go, okay? Because some of y'all be trying to clown me, be trying to come on my channel talking about that ain't no wash and go. Listen, everybody has their own definition, okay? But my hair has been freshly washed. It is wet or it's damp. And what's in my hair is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Knot Away Leave-In Conditioner. Leave-In Detangler, rather. This, and then I added a cream on top of that. I used the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. I use this because it resembles 100% shea butter to me. Like, it just melts in the hair, and I wanted something that just melted right into my hair, but also gave me some moisture. But they say this adds moisture, so we gonna see. But I definitely wanted to add a cream to my hair first. So that is what's in my hair. I did shampoo with African Pride's shampoo and conditioner. I'll put those down in the description box. But I'm gonna stop blabbing, okay? We're gonna get right to the video. I'm gonna do this mousse method the same way that I do my gel method. I'm going to be applying the product, raking it in, separating, and shaking, okay? We are going back to the shaking, girls. So if you guys are interested and you wanna see, keep on watching.
All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start in the back of my hair and I'm just gonna part a nice size section. Doesn't have to be too small. So I'm gonna be saturating my hair with some water and making sure the water is throughout my hair. Every strand needs to be saturated. And then I'm just gonna go in with that mousse. I'm gonna apply it right on my hair. And I think I applied like 3 or 4 pumps. It might have been too much, but as I got into it, I kept adding and adding, and it was never too much. But I'm just gonna rake the product in my hair, and you can see my facial expression. I'm like, wait a minute, this don't feel right. This don't feel like it's doing much raking. So the raking method is not working on the back of my hair. So I actually had to go in strand by strand and kind of twirl the ends of my hair to get them to curl like I like them to curl. So yeah, you guys, this product is so thin versus when I use a gel, it's so thick that it clumps my hair together. And then, you know, I just rake it through. I don't have to do any twisting, and then my curls just form on their own. But with this product, because it is so thin, I have to do a lot more work to get the curls the way that I want them. So I am twirling individual pieces section by section. So now I'm going to move on to this side section. I'm going to do the same thing, you guys, and just rake it through my hair. Let's see what this section does, or if I need to go section by section and kind of separate. See, as you can see, it wasn't working for me. So I just went section by section again and twirled my hair around my finger towards the end only, you know, just a couple of twirls, not much, okay, just to get some definition or to make sure my curls were clumping up. So I'm going to continue these same steps on the remaining sections of my hair. And as y'all can see, my curls are coming through. They are getting really defined with this product, and I really love it. So you guys remember when I said I was going to be shaking? This just helps to keep my strands separated and to help them to curl up. So So you guys see my crown here. It is the most disrespectful part of my hair. It's just really coarse. It's 4C. And I think that the mousse did a pretty decent job with adding definition to my crown. Everywhere else looks great as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my blow dryer and kind of zap my hair dry. And as you can see, I'm still shaking because I want to keep my hair, my strands separated as much as possible. I don't want them to stick together rather. So look at the definition, you guys. It looks so good. And now I'm going in with my pick just to add more volume to my hair. And this is pretty much what I came out with, you guys. I am so in love with how much volume I have. Usually I don't get this much volume on the day that I do my wash and go. It's usually really flat and really just no volume at all. So I am loving this product.
All right, you guys, so I am done with my wash and go, and yeah, I give this product 2 thumbs up, okay? If I had 4, I would give it 4 thumbs up. This product is the truth. All right, my hair feels so amazing. It doesn't feel dry, it feels moisturized. I am in love. I cannot believe a mousse defined my curls like it did. You saw when I was doing my hair, and I did mention that I had to kind of twirl my hair. This isn't like a gel. It's not as thick as a gel. So when I use a gel, all I have to do is rake the product in my hair, and my hair is going to come together and create whatever curl pattern my hair does. But with this, I noticed I couldn't just rake it. I actually had to go section by section and twirl my finger around the ends. But in the front of my hair, I was able to rake it and kind of let it do its own thing. So you can see that it's more of coils going back here, but right here it's more of a raking method. So you see how my actual curl pattern is right here, and it's not finger coils. And the same thing right here at my crown. Y'all know, okay, that's the 4C area, okay? That's just coarse, period. But I was able to get some great curl definition there as well, and I was able to achieve some volume, you guys. This is finna be a staple in my collection, you guys. I honestly think it was like $10.99. I picked it up at Sally's. This is not sponsored by the do. So, but y'all can sponsor me though. Like, we can talk, okay? But yeah, I did pick this up at my local Sally Beauty. And I will put information down below on where you can get this product if you can't find a Sally Beauty in your area, where you can get it online. And yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Let me know what you think about the style. Okay, I'm bringing the wash and go back. Oh, wash and go. I love a good wash and go, y'all. I just love a good wash and go. But yeah, you guys, comment below. Let me know if you've tried the do, and let me know if you want to try. If you want me to try. I can't even talk. Let me know if you want me to try the full line from the do, okay? Because yo, at this point, I want to try all of their products now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.